My name is Madison Williams. I am the system administrator and the account manager between eMaint and Johns Hopkins Radiology. Johns Hopkins Radiology oversees all of the radiology equipment for Johns Hopkins Health System. eMaint was mainly built for P&E, so P&E stands for physics and engineering, so our physicists and our engineers. I am very excited to be at Xcelerate. It's nice to see the people that I've been working with since go live and even a little bit before then in person. I'm really happy to meet my CSMs in person, Carlos and Jason, shout out. I've also gotten to rub shoulders with other people that use eMaint. I've met people who introduced me to different features of eMaint, Zima, AI. I've learned how to do different things with our dashboards. So it's like I'm learning, but I'm networking as well. And I think that Xcelerate kind of gave me that chance to not only meet the people that I've been partnered up with on the eMaint account for Johns Hopkins Radiology, but also to explore what's to come with eMaint.